To be a herder is to be free to imagine and explore.
When it comes to dreams, you think, what? My favorite is Akira Kurosawa's Dream, but that movie about dreams has a red MT Fuji. Never stop thinking and chasing.
Because there is a group of teachers here who lead the way for us with academic attainments and educational ideals. They come from the world's top universities, but they are willing to pursue their dreams with us and discuss hot topics together.
Climb the ivory tower of academia. We join campus activities, finding joy in teamwork and friendly rivalry.
Every day at Herder, we are constantly discovering and improving ourselves, striving for the future self with light in our eye. If you ask me what my favorite corner of the HD Shanghai School campus is it the big white natatorium, the theater, the athletic field, or the library?
I'll tell you that when you walk around campus, you will always find casual beauty. Willow branches outside the playground swayed gently.
The classroom is bathed in golden afterglow at 5 o'clock, with humanities and history as the backdrop. The city is cultural with many universities and offers tranquility when viewing Snake Mountain. Comfortable in the ancient town of Changyang. All these are N reasons to fall in love with this school.
Being part of the bilingual integrated curriculum system, Huddle is fully immersed in it.
Whether it is to explain the 7 stages of the bamboo forest to foreigners, or the Boyazi period, or even the Silk Road is not a problem. Because we continue to strengthen our English language skills in English reading and writing and cultivate English critical thinking skills. Experience the vast and rich Chinese culture throughout history to cultivate national pride. We firmly believe that language is a communication tool and culture is the core. Only with a love for this land can we go further in the future.
For Herder, there is no such thing as boring mathematics, physics, and chemistry in this world, and the seemingly heavenly knowledge points are all derived from actual life and thousands of years of human practice. Explore math. In the classroom of life science, physics, chemistry, mathematics, physics, and chemistry, it is a game of thinking. The mystery of life and the search for the most essential truth of this world.
Every huddle is a master of time management, and it is an art to fully enjoy the fun and essence of every lesson and activity in the limited time of each day, such as combining Chinese textbooks and directing and acting in a big play. For example, use the strength of the team and open your mind to solve real-world problems. For example, walking on the green field, putting on the college uniform, fighting for the college, and finally returning with honor. Herd's college counselors are not only top students from prestigious schools who have returned from studying abroad, but some are even interviewers for prestigious schools themselves, which means that if you want to ask what the Oxbridge interview is like, or if it is difficult to write an application, he can always tell you what he used to impress the heart of Nyojian's interviewer. I went to graduate school in 3 years.
And then why was the one who graduated in '06 there?
Our seniors have been using our services for 3 years in a row. 100% of them were admitted to the world's top 50 universities, and in 2020, they received 4 offers per capita, with a total of more than 60 offers. Future, architect, robot programming, tennis.
Golf has more than 40 extracurricular programs to choose from in the EC, and as a huddle with a wide range of interests, it is natural that it will not miss any opportunity to experience a wide range of in-depth learning. Expand the dimension of knowledge in academic projects, tap the potential in culture, art, and competitive sports, and fully bloom in interdisciplinary projects, in addition to the exhilaration.
There is also a home-like boarding experience, and you can learn to manage yourself in the company of boarding teachers.
And communicate with your partners. So what is it like to be a heddle?
Let's give it a go for you.